Hi, I'm Colin. This is our P900 240 volt single phase heater. We're going to go ahead and talk about some of the internal components with this unit. First, we're going to need to remove the screws. The internal components of this unit are the ambient thermostat and probe, the contactor, and this unit has 3 sets of heating coils. This also has the overheat limit switch. Now we're going to test the coil resistance. Setting your meter to resistance, unplug one side of the coil and test. Each one of these should be 20 ohms. Now taking your voltmeter, change over to continuity. Listen for the sound. This overtemp limit should be normally closed. Checks out well. Now we're going to plug in the unit. This unit comes equipped with a 50 amp 240 volt pigtail that is provided. This is also the same type of plug that is used on ovens, ranges, and on RVs. Go ahead and install. Next, we want to take the ambient thermostat and raise it to the desired temperature rise. For instance, we're going to go with 100 degrees. Now we can flip the switch to on. This unit will run a maximum of 38 amps. Here we can see we are at 31. Now to shut down the unit, we need to change the ambient thermostat down to 0. This unit will need to run for at least 2 minutes to cool down the coils before we actually turn it off.